Linksys Velop Mesh system setup via myrouter.local. There are three methods to set up the Linksys Velop Mesh system, and in this video, we'll guide you through the web interface setup. Let's get started. First of all, place all your equipment, parent router, child nodes, modem, and Ethernet cables, near the modem for easy setup. After the system is set up, you can relocate the child nodes, extenders, to different areas for better Wi-Fi coverage. If you have a separate router, disconnect it first. If you have a modem router combo, skip this step. Power off your modem, wait for a few seconds, and then power it back on. Once your modem has rebooted, connect one end of Ethernet cable into the modem's Ethernet port and another end in the Internet port on the parent router and power it on. If you're adding child nodes, extenders, place them near the parent router, no more than 10 feet away. Ensure the parent node and the child node both are in setup mode with a solid purple light. If the light isn't purple, reset the node by holding the reset button for 15 seconds until the light turns purple. Connect your computer to the parent router's default Wi-Fi network. You'll find the Wi-Fi credentials on the product label. Open a desktop browser and type IP address 192.168.1.1 or web local address myrouter.local in the address bar. If you are setting up the device for the very first time, then click on Reset Password, enter the recovery key when prompted, and create a new password for the router. After creating your password, you'll reach router's dashboard. Scroll to the bottom and click on the CA link. Click on Connectivity, then select the CA Router Setup tab. Customize your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Then tap Setup Node. Save your settings. The page will be temporarily disconnected, but keep the page open. Once reconnected, the setup will resume automatically. The light on top of the parent router will start flashing. When you see your new Wi-Fi name, connect to it. A message will appear saying your master node is now configured. Check the light on the parent router. If it's solid blue, your router is online and ready for the next step. If it's red, the router hasn't detected an internet connection. Make sure the modem is plugged correctly into the correct port. If needed, manually enter your internet settings, PPPoE, static IP, under Internet Settings in the Connectivity tab. If your router is online and ready, proceed to add child nodes. Power on each child node. Wait until the light is solid purple, then click Add Wireless Child Nodes in the Setup tab. For wired nodes, connect them with an Ethernet cable, wait for the purple light, then tap Add Wired Child Nodes. Once all nodes have solid blue lights, your setup is complete. Click Done adding child nodes. Your network is now ready. Write down your Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, and the router's admin password. To learn more about how to set up the Velop Mesh system through the mobile app, you can refer to the video link given in the description below. Thank you for watching.